Hello everyone. In this video, we would try to understand some of the basic terms that are related to Java. First, what is an applet? It is a small Java program that is designed to be transmitted over the internet and is automatically executed by a Java compatible web browser. That is, you can download an applet and it will be executed with an interaction with a user. Applet is a dynamic, self-executing program that are initialized by the server but perform on the client side. Consider an example. If you're downloading a code, the code is in its passive state, that is non-executing state, but if it is executing, the code gets into its active states. So applets are generally used to display the data provided by the server. It handles the user input or provides simple functions. For example, if I'm having an application of calculator, the calculation will be done locally on my system rather than on the server. So before going further, let us clear our concept of interpreter and compiler. So interpreter reads a line, and if a bug is found, it asks the user to make corrections before moving to the next line. This is a time-consuming process as every line has to be corrected before moving to the next line, and so the performance degrades. While compiler reads a line of code and collects all the error in a separate area, after reading the complete file or the complete code, it displays the error which are required by the programmer to be debugged before running of the code. This process is comparatively fast and so the performance is better than the interpreter. Let us now discuss some of the basic terms of Java: JVM, JIT and bytecode. So consider a scenario. The output of the Java program is not a machine understandable code, but a bytecode. A bytecode is a highly optimized set of instructions designed to be executed by the Java runtime system, that is Java virtual machine. Now Java virtual machine is an interpreter that converts the bytecode to a machine understandable code. This is a useful feature when it comes to portability. That is, now different systems just require Java virtual machine to execute bytecode. No doubt for different operating systems, the detail of Java virtual machines would be different, but all Java virtual machines understand bytecode. Now we know that performance given by the interpreter is less than the compiler, but bytecode being highly optimized, the use of bytecode makes JVM to perform much faster. To incorporate compiler performance to bytecode, just-in-time compiler or JIT was introduced. So when JIT was introduced into JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, a part of essential code is compiled while the rest of the code has to be interpreted in JVM environment, as JVM was still in charge of execution environment.